Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: lines, fenders, engines, and a half fuel reserve so nothing surprises you. Once done, scan wind and current and choose a 10 to 20 degrees approach angle. This gives control versus aggression. Make sure the crew knows one simple command set: who handles bow, who handles stern, who tosses lines. You move in slowly, engine ready in neutral, hand on throttle. This saves time and prevents last-second scrambling. You manage momentum with short throttle blips and brief reverse thrust. This gives you tactile control without overshooting. Once you reach a comfortable crawl, use minimal rudder inputs and small engine corrections to pivot. Large turns create unwanted sideways motion. Make sure to angle slightly toward the dock to counteract crosswind, then trim speed immediately. Meanwhile, have a crew member with a boat hook and the bow and stern lines on cleats, so you finish by easing bow and stern lines around cleat stepwise, taking tension slowly so the boat settles without shock. Once secured, adjust fenders and set spring lines to prevent rubbing. Aim for half to 1 meter gaps where needed. If you start to drift or the stern walks off, don't panic. Apply short reverse bursts and take a spring line to pivot the stern back toward the dock, then snug lines again. Finally, confirm mooring points and stow the boat hook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.